Hello, come in, good evening time. It's something you don't see every day. Black Widow DX350 high drive. Got a box off of custom. It was blowed, and I took an old Black Widow, and here's the made one. Just kind of neat. Let me show it to you guys. Using the Galaxy 88, look straight through.
L1, 2. Adios. 1, 2.
Y'all know the drill. Let me turn off this other radio.
Get on that.
4-5 bird peak. Average in. Reflect power, straight through SWR.
1, 2, 3. Get on that.
Yeah. I turn him on. First we'll do this state. Variable on. There you go. Reflect. 5 on reverse.
Get on down. Get on down. Get on down.
Almost done. Guys want slow. Peak power. Variable mode.
Get on down. Get on down. Get on down. 1, 2, 3. Hello, audio. 1, 2, 3. So you know it's adjustable. So it's all working out. 1, 2, 3. Get on down.
I'm gonna go over here and hit the high power. High power 1000 watt PP. And it's HG-2879, just a repair.
Get on down, get on down, get on down, get on down, get on down. About 350, that's about where it'll be. Input SWR 0. Hello, audio. Getting on down. I'm a little Texas Star. Getting on down. Working this Texas Star, and I'm leaving. That's about where she ought to be, right in there somewhere. She real close right on the money. But I just thought it was kind of cool. I repaired it and thought I'd do a video of it fixed and show you guys what it was and what it looked like and what it was doing and all that stuff. But there she is, Texas Star, Black Widow 350, getting on down.
Alright folks, hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10 018 Beavers. Catch me later.